Welcome, today I'm with Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G ME from the European distribution, and we are going to check if this smartphone comes with protective case and the box set. Okay, so as you can see right here in the user manual, or there's also the external adapter, we can find this silicone case. It's flexible. Let's put it on the smartphone. It's honestly easy to put it on, and it covers the volume buttons. We get good access to the fingerprint sensor on the right edge. At the bottom we can also find cutout for speakers, for microphone, USB-C port. SIM tray is covered. At the top we can also find the two cutouts for microphones. And this case comes a little bit above the camera set. So when you put it on the flat surface, you cannot scratch the cameras, but honestly it's very small difference right here. And the same when you take a look on the display, it also goes a little bit above the screen. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.